Here is the Apple Media Services Terms and Conditions. Copyright 2016, Apple Corporation, designed by somebody in California. An introduction to our services. This agreement governs your use of Apple services, through which you can buy, get, license, rent, or subscribe to media, apps, and other in-app services, content, iTunes Store, App Store, iBook Store, Apple Music, and Apple News. Our services are available for use in your country of residence, home country. You can acquire content on our services for free or for a charge, either which is referred to as a transaction. When you make your first transaction, we will ask you to choose how frequently we should ask for your password for future transactions. If you enable Touch ID for transactions, we will ask you to authenticate all transactions with your fingerprint. Manage your password settings anytime by following these instructions: https://support.apple.com/en-us/HT2040030. Apple will charge your payment method, such as your credit card, debit card, gift card, code. If you pre-order content, you will be charged when the content is delivered to you, unless you cancel prior to the content's availability. In accordance with local law, Apple may update information regarding your payment method if provided such information by your financial institution. For details about how transactions are billed, please visit http://support.apple.com. Content prices may change at any time. Apple may refuse a refund request if we find evidence of fraud, refund abuse, or other manipulative behavior that entitles Apple to a corresponding counterclaim. All services. You may use services and content only for personal, non-commercial purposes, except as set forth in the App Store content section below. You can use content from up to 5 different Apple IDs on each device. You may not tamper with or circumvent any security technology included with our services. If you use our services on a non-Apple branded device, you may not be able to access all features or content types. Family sharing. The organizer of a family must be 18 years or older and the parent or legal guardian of any family member under the age of 13 or the equivalent minimum age for their home country as set forth in the registration process. Apple devices are required for access to all of the family sharing features. The services will recommend content to you based on your downloads, purchases, and other activities. You may opt out from receiving such recommendations in your account settings. Some recommendation features may require your permission before they are turned on. You will be asked to give Apple permission to collect and store certain data. Please carefully read the information presented when you turn on these features. Children under the age of majority should review this agreement with their parent or guardian to ensure that the child and parent or legal guardian understand it. This was last updated September 13th, 2016.